Guys, Coffin Cummins here. So if your cruise control is not working, it's most likely going to be your vacuum lines, just like everything else in this truck, from your AC, your 4x4, and whatnot. So it's just going to be a quick, easy little how-to on how to repair that. Step when trying to get your cruise control back up and running, take out your battery, take out your battery tray. I already got it down here. Quick, 2 minutes. And that right there, this line that's covered up right here, that is your cruise control. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get a light. Okay, much better. As you can see, that this plastic line right there, this is your cruise control, and it goes into this right here. Mine, it just ended up breaking off, just wear and tear, heat cycles, whatnot. You can just go ahead and order these online, but in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and take the extra line and stuff it into there. That should get my cruise control up and running. I know it's just a temporary fix, but I'm driving cross country and I need this up ASAP. And that's all you need to know on how to get your cruise control back up. Hopefully this helps you guys out and get you back on the road, so keep coughing.